Okay, today we are going to talk about Indusind Bank. This is the banking sector. The Indusind Bank share. This is the forward chart. This is the current market condition. This is the good formation of symmetric triangle. Okay, did you got my point? Because these are the touches. So one touch, two touch, so three touch also. So I need to clearly mention that touches. Okay. One touch, two touch, three touch, but third touch is also in one hand. So market is on the momentum area on that time. I told you, don't worry. So this top side also three touches and bottom side also three touches. So this current market have a chance to break on two sides. Okay, because it's a symmetric triangle position, the like a symmetric triangle, but not 100% symmetric triangle. This is also a formation of the descending triangle also, because this is the lower level is also have a likely horizontal but not horizontal. Is the sliding of a symmetric pattern and also descending triangle pattern. So don't worry about these patterns are normally work very well. So this is the time to work this pattern. So this market is have a chance on break on upper side and lower side, but sometimes break on upper side and after you can go for the buy entry. Otherwise the next candle also next day also sometimes gap up opening on outside also. So you need to wait for the market on Monday, tomorrow, after you can go for the good trading opportunity. Okay, how can we confirm these opportunities? How can we confirm? We need to go for the low time frame, right? What is the low time frame of 4 hours? 30 minutes. So I change this chart to 30 minutes, right? Okay, what do you think about this? The current market, this current market is, you can see this is the current market breakout. This 30-minute chart. This is the last 8 candles. The formation is on one handle in 4-hour chart, because this is 30 minutes, so 8 candles. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. These 8 candles are formation is the one. So that's reason is this is the one handle in 4 hours in green handle. Okay, the bullish handle, right? But how can we confirm whether buy or sell opportunity? So I have to clearly explain that it's easy to go for the entry, right? Okay, so current market is break this after again retest. This is the retest on this time. So tomorrow you wait, need to break this need to break this level. Okay, need to, this current candle is can going up and after break is the previous close. Okay, because this is the previous low high, lower high, after break this and close lower high, and after this is confirmation of the buy trend. After you can go for the buy opportunities, right? You need to more up because the previous close in here, yeah, good close, so that reason also move that. This is entry, so I need to mark that the entry. Buy entry, so buy entry. What is the buy entry level? nearly 534, 535, 535. Right, okay. IMB on 535. Okay. About this previous close, and what is the target? Target is the, this is the good target, nearly 570. Okay. Target is 570. Sell entries need to break this level 490. What about target? Target is 472. Because this is the previous time of this consolidation area. So this market is have a chance to reach, but can't break this is the previous resistance and go down, because the lot of time is playing here, right? Okay, that reason also I put this the minimum, which is 473, right? Okay, this is the good target for the sell entry, right? But can go more down, but this is the clearly the good target. Okay, so you need to wait for the market upward and downward movements and for a buy or sell entry, right? Because this is the good 70 triangle pattern is normally work very well for the good targets. So you have to wait for the market, after you can go for the good entry. What is this about? This the 490 is the previous swing low. So to break this 490, right, the candle need to close below this 490. You can go for the sell entry. You can confirm this, retest again, go for this is the good breakable targets. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe the channel who like this analysis. Thank you.